Intense protests erupted in Parliament as opposition leaders condemned the inhuman treatment of Indian migrants deported from the United States. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar defended the U.S. authorities, stating that the use of restraints was a part of their standard operating procedure (SOP) and not a targeted measure against Indians. It may be mentioned that on Wednesday, U.S. Air Force aircraft carrying 104 deported Indian nationals landed in Amritsar as a part of former U.S. President Donald Trump's crackdown on illegal immigration. The deportees, mostly from Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat, claim they were handcuffed and their feet shackled throughout the flight. A video released by U.S. Border Patrol Chief Michael Banks showed Indian nationals in restraints while boarding the aircraft, adding to the controversy. Protesting in Parliament, Congress MP K.C. Venugopal and other opposition leaders wore symbolic handcuffs to highlight the plight of the deportees. Addressing the Rajya Sabha, Jaishankar assured that India was in talks with the U.S. administration to ensure that deported individuals were treated with dignity. He confirmed that while male deportees were restrained, women and children were exempted.